A rich merchant was a heart patient. The doctor had instructed all that he should not be alarmed at any cost. Once the merchant was in another city. His servant came from his town and said,
"Sir, I am sorry our dog is dead."
How did he die?
The merchant asked.
"He ate a lot of horse meat."
You mean that my horse is dead?
"Sir, all the horses in our stable are dead due to starvation."
Didn't the servants feed them?
How could they, when they were hungry themselves?
Why, didn't my wife give them their daily allowances?
The merchant asked in a worried tone.
How could she have survived without food?
The servant commented.
But I had appointed a cook for her. Don't tell me that she is dead too?
"Sir, last night the kitchen stove burst, and the house caught fire. Everyone in the house were burnt to death."
Thus the servant told the truth, without shocking his master.